Hi everyone, it's Dr. Katina, and this tutorial is going to be addressing the statistics tab on the online form for the data extraction for the PARAGON scoping review. The first question here is what statistical analysis was used for the functional outcomes. If you haven't listened to the outcome measures tutorial, please do so because it is very specific and important what we are thinking of as functional outcomes and what functional outcomes we are looking at in this study. In this paper, as we've been going through, there's a lot of other variables that they're measuring, and they look at another outcome measure, but the functional outcome measure here is the 6-minute walk test. So I'm going to look at results and see what they say. Their statistical test is actually here in the data analysis. So it looks like they use the student's t-test, which is, I think, on the list. There it is. I know that their alpha level was set at a 0.05. They use the Mann-Whitney test. So that's the Mann-Whitney U. And they used mixed effect models. There's linear mixed effect models, making sure that I'm not missing something else. And they did check for normality. So the normality tests were completed. Okay, I think that was everything. And so how did they present their data? So for this study, they presented medians primarily with the interquartile range. They did do some means with standard deviations. So again, we have to be careful. We're looking for the variable, the functional outcome that we are interested in. So here they use medians with an interquartile range in revolving around the functional outcome we are interested in. So they listed their p-value. Okay, so that's how they reported the outcomes for what we are interested in. They did a median and they did a confidence interval, as you can see right here. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, please email me at katinak@duq.edu. Okay, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Going to save.